How are you, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all keeping well. This here is what I call the Belgian waffle. I bought this from a guy on eBay. That's in Belgium, and he sells quite a lot of vintage CB stuff. I've had a couple of Stalker 9s here that have come from him, and I seen this, and he had it listed for a price, so I sent him a couple of messages and asked a couple of questions. Translated his description. Basically, he said it was down on power. It was only putting out half a watt, and something else now, I can't remember. So we got it sent over here. We did the deal, and excuse the dust now. I've been tidying up in here, so it gets a bit dusty. I had to make that knob because the original one broke. It was glued on. So I made that one. It's a temporary job until I find something a bit more suitable. But we glued the fascia back on. It was coming away from the bezel, and we cleaned and serviced all the pots and whatnot. Reason it was only putting out a half a watt. I'll just swing it over here. Yep, that's it. Here in this wire here. It's part of the bias circuit for the outputs and whatnot. That is a big wire wound resistor in it, and my best guess is it was being used as a driver for a transverter for 2 meters or something like that. So she's 2166 driving a 2312, so it'll be good for about 12 watts. I went through it all. You see all the crystals there for each band. She's 80 channel. So the crystals for upper lower AM, and it's a nice radio, nice receive on it, and quite pleased with it now. So she's whacking out full power. I still have a little problem when you plug the microphone in. You plug a microphone into it, I'm getting a little bit of hum. I reckon there should be some sort of maybe a DC blocking capacitor on the audio line or something like that, so I have to figure it out. I can't find any information on it. There's no name on it. There's no model on it, but it's very similar inside to the Royce and the Sommerkamp. So made in Japan, I'd say, back in the day. But an unusual little piece, and we tidied it all up, and I just have to put the bottom case on now. I'll come back to looking at the microphone issue another time. Put an LED in the meter, and yeah, she's grand. Happy days. Nothing good on here. Sprayed the knobs. The knobs were in a very poor state. Someone had went at them with Tipex, and it was all over the fascia as well, so I managed to get it off without doing too much harm. And we touched up the fascia here and there where it was scratched with some paint, and as I said, we painted the knobs, just get them a few shots of satin black, and quite pleased with them. So excuse the dogs. That is the Belgian waffle, and thank you for watching. We'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.